In complex industrial environments, thousands of MOC and deviation forms are processed each year. Manual review and reconciliation create blind spots that lead to safety and compliance risks. AuGENT IDP ingests MOC forms from any source, PDFs, Excels, or emails, automatically tagging and grouping them by facility, unit, and change request. AuGENT classifies complex MOC packets into structured components, isolating deviation tables, approval matrices, and risk sections automatically. AuGENT extracts parameter names, values, units, and approvals, transforming scanned MOC sheets into structured, analyzable data. AuGENT reconciles extracted MOC data against the approved design master, instantly flagging deviations that exceed permissible limits. With semantic and text-based search, AuGENT allows engineers to instantly find all relevant MOCs, deviations, or parameters across thousands of documents. AuGENT compiles all deviations into a unified report, highlighting out-of-limit changes, approvals, and pending actions in a single view. AuGENT ensures accuracy with a human-in-the-loop interface, letting engineers verify and refine complex or ambiguous entries. AuGENT builds an immutable digital audit trail for every MOC, ensuring full compliance and traceability for internal or external audits. AuGENT IDP transforms MOC and deviation handling, delivering instant visibility, data accuracy, and audit-ready compliance.